Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open Reachability with AssistiveTouch on the iPhone 15 series. First, you need to turn on AssistiveTouch on your iPhone. To do so, first tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, we're going to go all the way back to the main settings screen. Now scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then we scroll down and tap on AssistiveTouch at the top here. Then tap on AssistiveTouch toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can tap on the AssistiveTouch button. Then tap on tap on Device. Then tap on More. From here, tap on Reachability, and that will allow you to bring the top half of your screen down to just above the middle. And that will allow you to quickly reach the top of your screen. So here I can go in and tap on Device, More, and then Reachability. This will allow me to easily access the top of the screen right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.